Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 geography chapter 5 major domains of the earth. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video. Please comment in the comment section and tell me how these videos are helpful to you. So let's start. First question is, continents and ocean basins are two main divisions of dash surface. Answer is earth. Earth surface has two main divisions, that is continent and ocean basin. Next question is, level of a sea is taken as dash. Answer is 0. Next question is, depth of sea is much dash than the highest peak. Answer is more. Depth of sea is much more than the highest peak. Next question is, dash is called an island continent. Answer is Australia, because Australia is covered with water all around it. Next question is, dash ocean is the busiest ocean. Answer is Atlantic. Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean. Next question is, the deepest point on the earth is dash in the Pacific Ocean. Answer is Mariana Trench. It is the deepest point which is located in Pacific Ocean. Next question is, the dash ocean is named after the country. Answer is Indian. Indian Ocean is named after the country India. Next question is, the dash is a narrow contact zone of land, water and air that supports life. Answer is biosphere. Next question is, the continent of Europe and Asia together known as dash. Answer is Eurasia. Next question is, the highest mountain peak on the earth is, everyone knows this, everyone know it. Answer is Mount Everest. It is the highest mountain peak on the earth. It is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel.